All right, my Coco friends, it's a family favorite. Your favorite trolls are now in a Netflix show near you. You got to check it out. Trolls, The Beat Goes On. You can start streaming today. And our DIY expert, Vita Urbonis, joins us in a fun way to celebrate. Good to see you as always.
Look at us.
Check out these headbands.
Yay.
I absolutely love this. You made these at home?
Yes, and they're so easy to make. Here you go.
Okay.
Take one. You can make multiple for your Trolls party. I am so excited about Netflix. My kids are so excited.
So this is a fun way to the kids could have like a launch party. You know, we kind of do it with the Golden Globes and the Oscars.
Yes.
They could have their own.
And they can make, and we can get them off the tablets.
Okay.
And making some crafts. So this is Thule is what they call it.
Yeah.
You just buy it at your craft store, 20 inches. We do 18 to 20 of these, but think of cut them in 20 inches.
Okay.
Get a headband. It's got to be at least half an inch thick.
All right.
Okay, or else it kind of goes. See how I've got double on here?
Yes.
So if
I
you,
so love this. I could rock. I'm wearing this over to Cozy later today.
I'm going to let you take these with you. All right. Fold it over. So easy. Fold it over like this.
Okay.
Go under. I'm going to try to do this and go under at the same time.
Okay.
Go under, then put it through. It's kind of like that loop through.
Yeah.
There's your.
And that's it.
Yep, I got it.
So look,
here.
I did it.
Oh,
Hey,
the
that's how
DIY
easy it
expert
was.
here.
First time ever, because I am so not a crafty kid. Let me tell you.
Yes, and then you just do 18 to 20 of these. You can do all these different colors, and if you want to get a glue gun, I just went to the craft store, got these, and just took a glue gun and put them on.
This is such, and again,
So easy.
Trolls start streaming today on Netflix, so make sure you go to your webpage. Give us a site that they can go to learn more about
go
this.
to cookcraftkids.com,
Okay.
and I put a link to this cool cloud guy cake on there.
I can't believe this is cupcakes, right?
It's cupcakes put
How
together.
did you do this?
So if you want to get super creative, you can. I put the buttercream frosting on there, and I've got a link. You just go to my YouTube channel from there, and I'll show you how to make that with the buttercream frosting. If you want to get really lazy, just go to the store and buy some cupcakes with white frosting on top, and then you can put them together and get a little white frosting to fill in. There you go. You start it like
at
that.
a video here that
just
you made.
frost your cupcake like this with your frosting. If you do the buttercream, I love the buttercream frosting.
yes.
I got about 18 of them. See how they're just popping up automatically like that? Put 18 of those together, and then I looked online and I looked at the Trolls cloud guy, and started laying him out in how he looked. And just put them in that order, just like that. And it's great because, again, you can go super easy on this, or you can get super fancy with the buttercream frosting.
You know why I like this? Not only for, to make things exciting when Trolls come out on Netflix,
Yes.
but I also like it that it's affordable. We can do this at
Right.
home. Moms can make this for their
Yes.
kids' special birthday party.
Yes, that's a black fondant. We just cut out the mouth, and there's the pupils for the eyes, and then it just use a little round cookie cutter and started cutting out the teeth. If you can find anything like a little
That's the
jar.
teeth?
Yeah, that's the teeth
Oh
on
my
the
gosh, how
mouth.
creative.
And this is just fondant you get. You can get it at the grocery store now. It's so easy.
Hey, Martha Stewart, move over. I
Yeah.
have Vita, your bonus. Our bonus is here. And then how did you make the little arms? I think that's so creative, and the legs.
Yes, and I showed that in the video, but I think they came out to us on a little earlier. But the eyes, the same thing too. We had the black on the back, just cut the rounds out, made little round balls for the eyes, put those together. The eyelids, use some pink. If you don't have pink, you can use red and white, or you can use regular food coloring in your white fondant and just make some
Change
pink
it to
out of
whatever
that.
color you want.
But they sell blue and stuff at the store. You can roll out. I'm going to take a leg and show you how we roll this out.
cute.
This is like Play-Doh. It's literally
That's
like
what I
putting
was
Play-Doh
thinking.
together, and you can eat this. So right here.
Is this something that the kids could do with you too, then, at the
kids
same time?
love doing this.
How do you come up with creative ideas like this, Vita?
You know, we just go around and we troll Pinterest, and you come up with ideas. And I saw something somewhat similar, but it wasn't as, kind of, it had like an Oreo cookie on the eye. So
Yeah.
I wanted to make it a little more intricate. But again, this is so easy. Take a look at that end product right there. He looks like the clown guy.
That's awesome.
on the
Big round of
end.
applause on a Friday for Vita Urbonis.
Yay.
You have so many cute ideas. Let's talk about your website too.
Okay.
If somebody wants to follow you on YouTube or get
Yes.
these creative recipes, what do they do?
Okay, so go to, I make it really simple, go to cookcraftkids.com, because I love this. This is all the stuff we did with Fix This, and it's just continuing on. I love getting kids off the couch into the kitchen with parents, making easy, fun stuff where it's craft, but then you get eat at the end.
Right.
So, and then just click onto my YouTube channel from there. Those are, see all those cakes and stuff we've made in the past, and they're just like, that's a Hatchimals cake. You can eat that.
tell you, of course, Vida, you know her from 9 News and you know her from Fix This, but she has been so successful by doing this and on YouTube. She's doing this full time now with her kids. So definitely check her out. And I'm not kidding, Martha Stewart, move over.
Yeah.
This is my girl.
I'm going to be back a lot with you guys, helping you out as much as I can, because I love
you.
you guys. I can't fully leave 9 News.
Oh, thank you so much. Listen, it's a family favorite. Your favorite trolls are now in a Netflix original series. Trolls, the beat goes on. You can start streaming today. DIY expert Vida Urbonis joins us, and of course, she's going to be back with us and have so much fun. And she'll show all those recipes too for you. So all you have to do is just log on to her website, cookscraftskids.com. Is that correct?
Cooked Craft Kids.
Yep, say that 3 times.
Yeah.
And you can also subscribe to Vida's YouTube channel by searching for the Parenting Channel. She posts a different kid craft or treat each week. So let's do it. Come on, go on.
All right.
Got to do this.
Mine are falling off. You want to-